My name is Tammy Uhling, and I'm a paraprofessional at Genesis Legal Group. I was born in Ohio and lived there until I was about 10, and then we moved here out west to Arizona. I am a very family-oriented person. And yeah, I mean, my husband and I do a lot of traveling. I have one son, Justin, and he's in the Air Force. He just gave me my first grandchild, and I have a Chihuahua. So I was a paralegal in California for about 25 years. I'm pretty much self-taught. I've worked my way up the ladder from, receptionist to a paraprofessional now. And so when Arizona introduced the paraprofessional program, I was super excited. I think I was more interested in family law, or got interested in family law, when I went through my own divorce. There were several disagreements regarding my son and back and forth visitation with his father, which is really what got me into family law. It was frustrating. It was difficult. Not only was I a single parent, but I was working a full-time job and had an infant, and was teaching myself how to get a divorce. It was very emotional, for sure. I'm super excited to wake up and do what I do because I know that I'm charging less of an hourly rate for people who can't afford to pay an attorney's rate, which most normal people can't afford to pay an attorney's rate. So I am happy that I'm representing people who otherwise would have to fumble through it themselves like I had to, which was very difficult. I think that's what sets me apart, my ability to connect with my clients. I have a lot of empathy. I kind of put myself in that person's shoes and wrap my arm around them and tell them it's going to be okay, and treat the cases as if it were my own. There's so many things, though, that are my favorite part, of this job. The completion of the cases, when I get my final hug from the client and, they may break down or I may break down, and that's probably the most rewarding for me, for sure.